Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be talking about a few products from Amazon that I have been loving this year. So this year I've been really kind of focused on self-care. I'm about to turn 30. And so I've just really been focusing, especially like with quarantine and everything. We're not going to the gym. So we did purchase like a whole gym equipment, which I should do a full video on that. And then these are just some like small little things that I've been loving from Amazon. So anyways, let's just go ahead and get started. So first things first is our sauna. I mean, obviously, like I know that sauna is good for you, and then I've seen Joe Rogan talk about saunas and whatever Joe does, you know, you want to do. So he gets in one like every single day, I think, for like 25 minutes. So anyways, we bought one. I'm just going to put it up on the screen, this sauna. So we got the portable personal sauna, and this is what it looks like. So it's just one that you pop up really fast, so you can like take it up or take it down. And then you, it has like a little folding chair and then like a piece of cloth that you'll put down first, and then your chair, and then you just fill it up with water. I turn it all the way to, it has different levels of heat and then a timer that you set also. And so I like to stay in it for the full hour, and I put it on P9, which is like the highest temperature, and it gets so hot. It's really hard to stay in. For my first couple of times I didn't make it the full hour because it gets so hot. It really does. But it feels so good, and it's so good for your skin. I mean, it has, so the sauna has so many good benefits to it. So it'll help like increase circulation and help like reduce soreness from working out. It reduces your stress levels. It improves cardiovascular health for your skin, asthma. So many good things, and I just love it. I like to get in there like a few times a week at least, especially on Monday following the weekends after eating not so good, and just get in there and just sweat it all out. So I definitely recommend that. So I don't remember it being this much when we bought it, but it's $128. It has 101 reviews with 5 stars on Amazon, so that's really good. So yeah, I highly recommend it. You won't regret it if you get it. So next thing is teeth whitener. So I got this AURAGLOW. I do have this one here with me. AURAGLOW teeth whitening kit. So it's just like a little LED light. I'm not sure what that noise is. It's just a little LED light, and then it comes with the little mouthpiece that you just stick into your mouth, and the little case that comes with it. And then it also comes with 2 syringes, and then you can just like repurchase these when you run out. I am clearly almost out of it. I used one, and then Dylan used the other one, so you get like 10 uses out of each syringe, and I could really see a difference after just like the first use. So you can see I've been using it. I haven't used it in a little bit, so I need to do that and use the rest and then repurchase those. So highly recommend this. It is $48.95 on Amazon. It has 15,000 reviews with almost 5 stars, so really good if you need something to help whiten your teeth. So next thing that I have been loving is this DERMA roller cosmetic needling instrument for face. That's just what it says off Amazon. So yeah, this is the Sidara skincare, and it comes in this little case. This is what it looks like, and it just has all these little needles. And they say that this is supposed to help with fine lines and with acne scars. So that's really good. I like to use that in my skincare routine, and I feel like lately I've really been able to see a difference. So this is another thing that you can get from Amazon. This is the CERAVE silic acid lotion for rough and bumpy skin. I think I might have mentioned this in another video, but I love this. I feel like since I started using this, I could really tell I have like a little texture in this area, and I just feel like it is so much smoother. I put my face makeup on today, and I feel like this was like the first day I could really tell a difference, because it's been a couple of weeks that I've been using this. So yeah, I highly recommend this, and you can get this on Amazon. I did not get this on Amazon. I got this at Target because I think it might have been sold out. But I'd also would like to try the face wash, but that's just sold out everywhere too. I cannot find it. But once I do, I'll let you know. These are things that I just use all the time. So next thing is, these are nothing new, but these are the SCHICK Silk Touch Up Multi-Purpose Exfoliating Eyebrow Razor Tool. This I use to exfoliate my face, so I will literally shave my whole face with this. And you can just, like, when I do it, even my husband was like, what is that? It was like you could see all the flakes in the air coming off of like dead skin and like all the hairs that you have. And also that's probably why my makeup went on so well today, is because I did this morning, and I swear I can tell a difference every time. Like afterwards, like when you apply makeup, it just is like flawless. I love these, highly recommend. And if you have a little stash like I do, you need one of these. And this comes in a pack of 3 for $4.99, so that's a really good deal. And obviously there are a ton of those out there, but just these little razors, definitely recommend. Lastly is this bad boy. So this is a muscle massage gun, percussion massager, back, leg, body, deep tissue. This is what the gun looks like. And then on this side you have, turn it on, and then like the different speeds. So it goes all the way up to 5. I like this little thing. It is super sensitive though. I always turn it off and on accident. But this has been a game changer after like working out and you need a massage, or if your husband wants you to massage you all the time like mine does. This will save your hands, and it just feels so good. Really like working out all of your muscles. So this is $57.78. It's on sale right now, and then there's an extra $5 off coupon. This has 431 reviews with almost 5 stars also. And then it also has like little attachments so you can take this part off. I feel like this one works really well. Alright, so yeah, those are my few things from Amazon that I've been loving lately, and I highly recommend. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.